types of interviews, that is a very important part. So we have 6 major types of interviews. The first one is structured interview, where the recruiter asks a fixed set of questions to all the candidates. If they have the top 10 questions, they will ask those questions only to all the candidates. This is a very important part as they eliminate all the bias in the recruitment process. The second one is the unstructured interview. It's a very free-flowing interview. It's normally a conversation that happens spontaneously. And on the basis of your previous answer, they will ask the next question. On the basis of your background, they will prepare questions on the basis of your education. So next are situational interviews, where employers give you a problem and they will check on the basis of how fast, how is your approach about the particular problem. Do you have a problem solving skill or not? The fourth point is a behavioral interview, where they gauge and evaluate a candidate's past behavior in different situations. How well are you able to apply your past experience for this related problem? The fifth one is a stress interview. We must have, like, we all are scared of these stress interviews, right? So what the interviewers do, they are very rude to you, they interrupt you, or they will make you anxious. They will keep on asking questions, difficult questions, just to see whether you are able to calm yourself down. What is your personality at that moment? How well are you able to answer those questions? So they particularly try to make the environment very stressful. And the last one is the most important, the technical interviews. We see that for areas such as healthcare, IT, management, what they do is they ask technical questions just to check the domain knowledge of the candidate, whether the candidate has the particular knowledge about the role for which they are interviewing or not. So